Hello student, welcome to biology class. And in previous segment of video we have discussed about we are discussing about the process of digestion, which is the second step of holozoic mode of nutrition in human being. It means the main topic is holozoic mode of nutrition. So we have discussed digestion process in mouth or the changes that occur during the process of digestion in mouth and in pharynx, and the third one in esophagus, and then lastly we have discussed about the digestion in stomach. Now in this segment of video we will discuss about the digestion of food in small intestine. That means the action of substances or the action of secretion of digestive juice over the food in small intestine. So the first part of the small intestine is duodenum. So in small intestine we are going to discuss about the various secretions that mix with the food to play an important role in the process of digestion. So first of all, the food which comes in a small intestine in the form of chyme, which we have discussed in an earlier video. So when chyme comes into the small intestine, that is in the first part, duodenum. In duodenum, there are two glands open through the duct, which duct is known as hepatopancreatic duct, which we have discussed earlier in the video when we teach about the digestive system. So in duodenum there are two glands release their secretion. The first is liver from gallbladder, and the second one is pancreas. So liver from gallbladder release bile, and bile has various role over the food for the purpose of digestion. There are some roles we are going to discuss here. The first role of bile is to neutralize the acidic nature of food. So the food that we eat are the food that found in stomach. We are discussed as this chyme, and the nature of or medium of chyme is acidic due to the mixing of HCl, a strong acid. in स्टमक हम लोग जो है डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि स्टमक में गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड होता है और गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड जो है गैस्ट्रिक जूस सिक्रीट करता है, एंड गैस्ट्रिक जूस कंसिस्ट ऑफ mucus, HCl and pepsin. So that HCl from the gastric juice make the medium of food acidic. So first of all bile क्या करता है कि ये acidic food को न्यूट्रलाइज करता है, देन उस फूड के मीडियम को change the medium दो चीजें यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है। पहला चीज की न्यूट्रलाइजेशन करता है इसका एसिडिक मीडियम का, एसिड का को न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा। और इसका जो बाइल का नेचर होता है, बाइल में जो है दो कंपोनेंट्स पाए जाते हैं। देयर आर टू कंपोनेंट्स, बाइल साल्ट एंड बाइल पिगमेंट। So there is no role of bile pigment in digestion. Bile pigment only the waste product, while bile salt has important role in digestion. So bile salt is basic in nature. जैसा कि आप लोग पढ़ चुके होंगे केमिस्ट्री में, the salts are divided into three category: the neutral salt, and basic salt and acidic salt. So bile salt is basic in nature. So due to its basic nature, it neutralizes the acidic components, and also after neutralization of all the acid present in food, the medium of food becomes converted to alkaline medium, and then the pH of food on that condition after changing of medium will be 7.8. It means it is slightly basic or slightly alkaline. So these are the two process. Then it also facilitate the process of emulsification. Emulsification process जो होता है इसमें फैट के ऊपर एक्ट करता है emulsification, in which fat converted into emulsified fat. So in this case, during the emulsification, what will happen actually? The larger fat globule, फैट के जो है मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, large size fat globules, they becomes break and form numerous small particles of small fat, and this process is called the emulsification. So this is the third action of bile over food. And after emulsification, one other special function also performed by the bile in food or in the process of digestion, that it facilitates absorption of fat soluble vitamins. जो फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स होते हैं, they are remain soluble in fat particles. When fat particles becomes in smaller size, so that small size of fat allow them to dissolve into water, so to becomes in solution form, and the digestion of food take place only in solution form, or any kind of reaction take place in solution form, and that solution also is the form through which the absorption of fat soluble vitamin take place. So these are the four main process or main essential role of bile over the food. And after bile, mixing of bile, when the medium of food converted to alkaline medium, the other gland release its secretion. So the other gland is pancreas, and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. So pancreas is a mixed gland, we have discussed earlier, because pancreas release enzymes through the duct which is known as pancreatic duct, which combined with bile duct to form hepatopancreatic duct. And pancreas has some other kind of group of cell which also release hormone or produce hormone and release directly into the blood. So this gland has tendency of releasing two way of secretion, that is, one is ductus secretion and the second is ductless secretion. So it is the region that pancreas is known as mixed gland, क्योंकि इसमें जो है एंडोक्राइन और एक्सोक्राइन दोनों नेचर पाया जाता है. And the secretion of pancreas is pancreatic juice, and pancreatic juice consists of mainly the enzymes, and these enzymes are divided into three categories. The first enzyme is amylase, जिसको हम पैंक्रियाटिक एमाइलेज भी बोल सकते हैं. And the second is trypsin, and the third is lipase. So these are the three enzymes present in pancreatic juice. So what are the roles of these enzymes? So amylase or pancreatic amylase perform the digestion of carbohydrate. Before this amylase, we have also discussed about salivary amylase in माउथ में भी एमाइलेज रिलीज होता है, जिसको हम सलाइवरी एमाइलेज कहते हैं, जो कि सलाइवा में पाया जाता है. तो सलाइवरी एमाइलेज आल्सो परफॉर्म द डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. इट मीन्स जब भी हम एमाइलेज टर्म यूज करते हैं, दिस टर्म रिलेट टू द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. इट मीन्स द एमाइलेज, पैंक्रियाटिक एमाइलेज आल्सो digest carbohydrate of food, and the digestion of protein first start in stomach with the help of pepsin. वहाँ पे पेप्सिन एंजाइम पाया जाता है, और यहाँ पे जो है ट्रिप्सिन एंजाइम पाया जाता है, जो कि प्रोटीन डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है, प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करता है. एंड द थर्ड वन इज लाइपेज, and lipase break the emulsified fat, which is formed by the action of bile. bile के एक्शन से क्या होता है कि फैट जो emulsified फैट में कन्वर्ट होता है, और emulsified फैट के फॉर्म में ही जो है फैट का एक्चुअल डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है. इट मीन्स द डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट स्टार्टिंग small intestine with the help of lipase from the pancreatic juice. So here about more than 50% of carbohydrate, protein and fat becomes digested with the help of the enzymes of pancreatic juice, but the remaining digestion take place with the help of another secretion of another gland, and that gland is known as intestinal gland. So here we are going to discuss the next gland in small intestine, that is intestinal gland. So intestinal gland consists of enzymes for complete digestion of carbohydrate, fat as well as protein. So through the intestinal gland it is also known as succus entericus. So succus entericus secrete करता है intestinal juice, और इंटेस्टाइनल जूस में जो एंजाइम्स पाए जाते हैं, दैट एंजाइम्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ एंजाइम्स. And enzymes of small intestine or succus entericus helping complete digestion of food. That means carbohydrate converted into glucose. Here, with the help of intestinal juice, the final product of digestion produced glucose, amino acid, and the fat converted into fatty acid and glycerol. So, in the small intestine, the final product of digestion we obtain with the help of the enzymes of intestinal juice or succus entericus. So, here the digestion of a complete digestion of food take place, and the completely digested food is known as, or a special term given for the completely digested food, it is known as chyle. So, we have discussed the three forms of food during the process of digestion. The first form we have discussed, it is the bolus, the ball-like structure in mouth. It is produced in mouth. And the second structure which we have discussed, it is the chyme. जो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, and chyme is the partially digested food in stomach. While the completely digested food in small intestine, it is known as chyme. So these are the three forms of food during the process of digestion that are changes. Now this is all about the digestion process, and in the next step of holozoic nutrition after digestion is absorption of food. So absorption of food also taking place in small intestine, and which we will discuss about the absorption of food in next segment of video. And in this segment of video, we in previous and in this segment, both video consist of the whole process, explanation of whole process of digestion at class 10th level. It means according to NCERT syllabus, this is the all coverage for the process of digestion in human body. So